Hi guys, in 7.4 we're learning about solving proportions, so go ahead and write the title in your notes and we'll get started. When we solve proportions, we want to learn about this thing called cross products. Cross products in proportions are equal. If the ratios are not in proportion, the cross products are not equal. So what cross product basically means is that if we have 6 over 8 and that's equal to 9 over 12, we can see if these are equal by doing 6 times 12 and then 8 times 9 and going to see if those numbers are equal. So 6 times 12 is equal to 8 times 9. We're doing cross. Okay, it's called cross products because we're going across. So 6 times 12 is 72. 8 times 9 is also 72. So this is a proportion. Okay, another example of not a proportion is 1 over 6 is equal to 2 over 7. So we're going to do 1 times 7. And then 6 times 2 is equal to 6 times 2. 1 times 7 is 7. 6 times 2 is 12. This is not a proportion. Okay, go ahead and look at those other two examples. Pause it if you need to and check it out yourself. So using cross products, we're going to identify are these ratios proportional. So we have 5, 6 is equal to 15 over 21. So we're going to do 5 times 21 and we're going to also do 15 times 6. Well, 5 times 21 is 105 and 15 times 6 is 90. So we know that these are not cross products. Or we know that these are not proportional because the cross products are not equal. Okay, letter B. It says a shade of paint is made by mixing 5 parts red with 7 parts blue. If you mix 12 quarts of blue paint, 12 quarts of blue paint with 8 quarts of red paint, will you get the correct shade? Okay, so we're doing part to whole. So we're doing red part to blue. Okay, so we're going to do red, 5 red parts, so 5 over 7 blue. Is that equal to 12 quarts of blue? So we have to remember, where is blue? It's on the bottom. 12 over 8 quarts of red. Okay, so in these word problems, we have to just make sure. It says red paint to blue paint. So red is on the top, blue is on the bottom. Ooh, I could have done this. Oh, snap. So it's 5 red and 7 blue. You guys like that? And 8 red and 12 blue. So let's go ahead and check our cross products here. So we have 5 times 12, and is that equal to 8 times 7? So we have 60 is equal to 56, and that is not equal, so we would not get the correct shade. Next one, we want to solve this proportion. When we're solving this proportion, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're still going to do cross products like this. Okay, so 12 times 14 is equal to 4 times D. So 12 times 14 is 168. 4D stays the same. Now we have to ask ourselves, how do we get D by itself here? We want to divide by 4. Then we're going to get D is equal to 42. Okay, so we solve for D by doing cross products. Okay, lastly, a physical science application. It says 2 masses can be balanced on a fulcrum. This is a fulcrum, it's like a balance. When mass 1 over length 2 equals mass 2 over length 1. The green box and the blue box are balanced. What is the mass of the blue box? So let's call this mass 1. And this is mass 2. And then let's call this length 1, and this is length 2. So mass 1 is 2 over length 2 is 4. Is that equal to, we're going to figure out, mass 2 over length 1, which is 10. So we're going to try to figure out what mass 2 is to make these equal. So 2 times 10 is equal to 4 times m. So 20 is equal to 4m. We divide by 4, and we get 5 is equal to m. Alright guys, go ahead and try the exercise for today, and then I will see you guys tomorrow.